Are you a civil or structural engineer holding a bachelor or master degree and still working in construction site? It is time for you to shift from site-based job to office-based design role, which you are dreaming in your life. We Gururayar Associates help you to switch into design career or start your own engineering consultancy with our step-by-step practical RCC and steel structural design consultancy training. You can learn this as alternate skill and elevate your lifestyle into office-based design work. What are the benefits of this training you will get? Join as affiliate in our business development team, get passed in any interview very easily. Get outsourcing design works from our engineering department. Get job reference from our VIP group business owners. Start your own engineering consultancy with our guidances. Gain high live real-time design work confidence to start part-time design works. Site engineers, planning engineers, construction, project engineers, managers, architects, builders, site supervisors, contractors all are welcome to join this training. Thank you.